I tossed the bleach, skipped the toxins, and started using this hospital-grade disinfectant that breaks down into water and oxygen. The product under your sink might be increasing your toxin load, and there's a better option. When I was first diagnosed with a grade 4 diffuse astrocytoma brain cancer, we had to look at everything in our environment, not just what we ate or injected, but what we sprayed, what we wiped, breathed, and even touched every single day. That's when my wife and I ditched toxic cleaning products and switched to this 3% hydrogen peroxide. It kills germs, viruses, and bacteria without bleach or fumes. It's completely non-toxic and breaks down into water plus oxygen. It doesn't disrupt your hormones or overload your detox system. And it costs just $1 a bottle. We use it to clean counters, fruits, and veggies, toothbrushes, even the bathroom. Sometimes we mix it with a little vinegar or essential oils, depending on the job. It's not just about being clean. It's about reducing the burden on your body so you can heal. If you want the full protocol that I use to rebuild my health and beat brain cancer, simply comment protocol below and I'll send it to you for free. Once again, thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We love you all so much.